Wow, Tonian, this place is really nice.
Not true.
I wouldn't have known this place existed from looking from the outside, honestly.
A lot of people don't know about this place.
Yeah? How are they able to keep this place a secret?
I don't think that's the intention, but it happened anyway.
Um,
Yo. Yeah, man. How going for you? Long time in the year for you, man. Yeah, man. And the last set of things you may take out.
Alright, nice. That's good look.
so, this is your spot.
Yeah, I feel safe here.
Well, it's very secluded, so I can definitely see you doing things here.
It's not only that, I mean, this is where a lot of police officers eat. Uniform and plain clothes.
Oh, I see. So, if I see people in plain clothes, they're a police officer?
Yep. Or they could be an ordinary civilian.
Well, I'm gonna put this place on my list of places to eat, providing the food is good, right?
Trust me, you won't be disappointed.
Okay, can't wait to taste the food. Where's the bathroom?
Oh, right across that little bridge right there, so then turn to your right.
Expecting an important call.
Something important mustn't on the phone there. Why you having so close?
Ranking did all this time, brother.
I want to tell you, sir, Rankin did that cross the waters, do some business in a real estate business and buy two house over there, see me?
A good thing we did run off a place the right way it is.
So now that may I tell you, brother, even though some fubble we did go on some other areas, the whole of our ground, you see it?
Realize it cool down.
Yeah, man, the general have to make two call and chat to two, man. You see me? I remember them label as a volatile place, so you see it, boss, have to change that.
Yo, we are all the harder night is, but some other man now hold that.
And I want to tell you, say, that's why the boss has changed up the business style, you see me? And I run in a out type place.
That we have to do more while, brother. Remember when I left my studio, brother? I go start farming. I'm just wait till everything cool down, circle back, you see me?
Which is right, I want to tell you, say, I'm a king man run off them two store right now.
That's why we never that's the king. Just as see what happen. A whole heap of operation change up, man.
Smart move this to, bro. I watch it two business, them, I mind them going. And them going around business, weed business. Rum can't stop drinking, and kush can't stop burning.
See what happen. I take the kush off of your corner too.
Yeah,
Wicked piece of style, man. You see, I like it.
I really swear this one.
chemistry. I'm heading over to the young ladies. Yeah. Oh, she's really nice. But she seemed a little underexposed.